Okay, so yes, we are doing magnets.
We're doing magnetic.
And we're kind of just drawing here right now. So we want to, here, I'll start us off with a blue and a red. So, when we look at it then, you have...
Likes?
No. Opposites.
Yeah, opposites like each other and they
And
get
then,
together.
yes.
Opposites like each other and they stick together. Dislikes, which are the same, and this opposite, when you try to put them together, there's a magnetic force that pushes it away. If I put it right here, and I let go, this one will fall. But if I put it like this, it will stay.
Together. Right. So, and we can do that with a whole chain of them, right? So we can just sit there and...
Alright, let's make a chain. Keep adding
And it's a
on.
pattern, it's a pattern, it's a pattern.
It goes on by pattern.
Cool.
Let's just keep putting. Alright, you keep talking. Tell them about more magnets.
Okay. In every object, there's a certain amount of electrons, a certain amount of protons, and pluses and minuses, right?
Yeah.
So, in a magnet, they all line up in one direction. Normally, they're all pointing in different directions, right? But if you shift them one way or the other, and they start lining up, that's when you start getting things to be magnetic. Well, they become magnetic. Now, since the entire world
Has a magnetic force.
has a magnetic field, we can actually make a magnet and then turn it into a compass. Okay?
Yep.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to make our own magnet here.
How do we make a magnet?
We're going to turn this needle into a magnet. So that means what we have to do is we have to line up all the electrons in it. So we have to stroke this thing and stroke it and stroke it. You stroke it in one direction and you just got to stroke it like 100 times. So grab the needle and we're just going to keep on stroking this in one direction. I was able to polarize it. Look. Yeah! So my needle is actually
A magnet.
now a magnet.
Will it stay a magnet forever?
No.
Oh.
Only for a little bit of time.
I'm picking up something. Yeah, I got it.
Good.
What's the water for?
Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to make our own
Compass?
compass. But in order to do that...
Do compasses have water in them?
No, but you want them to be able to float without friction. Because the friction, the rubbing, makes it harder for the compass to actually point in the right direction. With a little piece of saran wrap and the needle that we just did, we're going to poke a hole, and we're going to poke a hole, and that way what we're going to do
Oh,
is
is it
we're
gonna like point
Well,
to the north?
yeah, we're going to try to... Okay, so as this goes, let it settle for a second.
Oh, it's going to the north. It's pointing.
Well,
Oh, it's
we're gonna
pointing.
say-
It's pointing to the north.
Okay, so we have our compass. And which way is our compass pointing?
Well, our compass is pointing that way.
Okay, where's the N? No, the N. Where's the N?
Yeah, that way. It's
So,
pointing
what way is north?
that way.
That way. Apparently. And which way is our needle pointing?